All right, guys, are you guys ready? So it's kind of like when I was driving by this pizza place and it said the world's best pizza and it wasn't. Or I was driving by a place that said the world's best hamburger and it probably was. It was in Alabama when I had that. It was amazing. That was the winner of our Burger Wars tour. Remember that? So I'm flipping through some recipes and I see this one. Better than sex cake. That's a challenge. Better than sex cake? That's hard to live up to. So we're going to find out if this truly is better than sex cake. In no way is it healthy, and in no way am I eating this other than trying it. We're going to take this to Bible study. We're going to give it to them because they can eat this stuff. I can't. So once again, this is not a healthy recipe. We're just challenging that it's better than sex or not. I'll let you know. I'll take one bite. I'll let you know. And should be exciting. All right, come on in close. I'll show you the ingredients. All right, let's run down all the ingredients. So we've got the main ingredient is the Devil's Food cake mix. Okay, use any brand you want. I'm using one that I prefer. We're going to be using condensed milk. It is the sweetened condensed milk, caramel topping. It's a caramel flavored topping. Cool Whip, 3 eggs, and some Heath bars, okay? Oh yeah, and some bacon right there. Big bag of bacon. Come on. There's no bacon in this recipe. You really thought I was going to put bacon in the cake? You're crazy. All right. So anyway, these are the ingredients minus the bacon. Let's get started. All right, I made one mistake already. Can you believe it? Anyway, that's why we do it in video form first so you can see how it's done. I forgot to show you the oil. I showed you the eggs we need for the cake, but the oil, I forgot to have that. So we need oil and water also. We're making it according to the box. Make the Devil's Food cake first, okay? So let's get this all mixed up. All right, so take our bowl and mix our cake batter in there. Get it all in there. Take your time. Make sure you get everything out. All right, we got our cake batter in there right now. Let's add the eggs. Got 3 eggs going in. Take the oil. Going in. Boy, Bible study people are going to love this cake, I'm sure. I don't know if it's going to be better than sex cake, but we'll find out. And don't forget your water. Go ahead and put that in. Okay. And take your fork. Break up your yolks. Okay, I spread our pan with ham with baking powder. So it should be no stick. So let's get this poured in. There we go. Okay, we're gonna cook this at 325 from 34 to 38 minutes. Test it with a toothpick, you know the toothpick method. You poke it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. Pull it out and let's cool it. We're going to let it cool. But here's the crazy part. While it's warm, you can see it's pulled away from the edges very nicely. You can use a wooden spoon. That's what I recommend. I guess that's about the same. I'm going to use this. This is a little wine stopper. And I'm just going to go through and poke holes through it. Here we go. There we go. Now before it cools, you want to take your condensed milk and pour it all over. going to sit here and you're going to spread it all around. And you're going to sit here and you're going to spread it all around. Get it all spread around. There we go. All right, put your spatula off to the side. Go ahead and open your caramel sauce. And here we go. Do the same thing with the sauce. This sauce, just spread it around. And as you can tell, it's filling those holes with the condensed milk, and it's filling it with the, there you go. All the holes are getting filled with the condensed milk and the caramel. Anyway, we're gonna pop this in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Meet me back here and then we'll top it all. All right, guys, so this has been in the fridge for 2 hours, and it looks really good. It looks like everything went into the holes and just soaked into the cake, and maybe that's why it's going to be so amazing and moist and awesome. So we're going to take the Cool Whip, we're going to coat it with whipped cream, and then we're going to sprinkle it with chopped up Heath bar. So here's the Heath bar. We're going to chop that up into bits, and there'll be bits all over it. So you do Cool Whip, and then bits of Heath bar, put it back in the fridge, and you're done. Wow, that looks good. Already. We haven't even smoothed it out yet. Okay, guys, we used a hammer to smash up the Heath bar. So now we have our pieces that we need. They may be small, they may be big, they may be crumbly. Go ahead and just kind of coat the top. Some recipes may not say Heath bar, they may say toffee. That's what a Heath bar is. It has toffee in it. So do it however you like it. You can use M&Ms, you can use any type of a candy you want on top. Okay, guys, there it is. Better than sex cake. Is it really? Let's find out. Okay, I feel naughty trying this out. All right, let's give this a try right now. Get in there. I want that. Oh, I guess I'm gonna. It's not hot. Looks beautiful. It's better after you chew it a little bit. Everything is kind of creamy and the flavors kick in. I really like it. Would I claim it's better than sex? Probably not. But let's find out what Tammy thinks. Honey, come on over here. You tell me.
What, this is
if
like
she says it's better than sex, I'm going to feel really bad.
Yeah, this is like a no-win for me.
A no-win, right?
Yeah.
We got thunder going off right now. It gets better the more you chew it, right?
Kind of, sort of. It's okay. I think it would be better with more caramel. I can't really taste
drizzle
the
caramel on top, right?
On top, yeah.
All right, guys, if you got extra caramel, just drizzle a little on top for decoration, for flavor, for everything. I can't taste the caramel.
Mm-mm.
I can only taste the toffee and the whipped cream and the cake. So we've come to the conclusion that
More caramel.
More caramel, and it might be better than sex.
It might be, just because you don't have to, you know.
But this way, it's not. If you don't have the caramel on top, it's probably not better than sex. So anyway, you give it a try and let us know. So we'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.